Channels like this are making thousands of dollars in a month by just uploading shorts. And the best part of this is that it is all done by AI. The description, the title, the hashtag, and the content are all generated by AI. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate 1000 shorts with just two tools, with just two AI tools, and these tools are ChatGPT and Canva. Get started, you're going to go over to ChatGPT and type this prompt I'm going to show you guys. You are going to say, this is the prompt you are going to tell ChatGPT, create me 50 sets of facts in the same style as below. Example and format them in a table where one column is the topic, one column is the part one, and one column is the part two. Topic. This is the exact prompt you are going to use. I'm going to put this exact prompt in the description box, and you can go ahead and copy it and use it for the sake of this project. So guys, when you type in the prompt, you are going to click on send, and it's going to generate for you this idea. As you can see, look at the whole idea it has generated for us. So when it has done generating this 50 facts, you can go ahead and say give me extra 50, so that you can go on and on saying give me extra. So guys, after this, the next thing to do is to head over to Canva. You're going to head over to Canva. When you head over to Canva, you're going to look for, you can go ahead and create an account to them if you don't already have an account with them. So when you head over to Canva, you're going to look for, you're going to type YouTube Shorts. And the template for YouTube Shorts is going to come out here. You can Now you're going to click on create blank. When you come over to the templates, you're going to come over here and look for, we want like a peaceful scenario that is going to be used for this particular project, like a beach or a sunset or something of that nature that you can use for a motivational video or something like that, something that has a very quiet ambience and can portray like peace and love, something like that. So in this video we're going, let's use beach. So we can see, so you're going to come over here and click on videos, and then you've seen something like this. Let's check something like this. You can see how it is. So you can come here and drag it here and drop it, and it's going to be a scenario. It's going to be the scenario for this video. As you can see how quiet, and you just know the water is just flowing. You can use it for a motivational speech, just like girls fat, boys fat, what we already told the ChatGPT to create for us. So when you've done something like this, the next thing to do is, so the next thing we are going to do, this is actually a 44.7 seconds video, but what we actually need is just something of 6 seconds. What we first of all need is something of 6 second video. So you're going to come over here and trim it. We want a 6 second. Let's edit it to 6 seconds. And then we click on done. So you can see we edited the video from a 6 second video to a 6 second. So the next thing we are going to do is to try to eliminate all background noise from this video. And to do that, you are going to click on this video. But for this particular template I used, there's no background noises. So the next thing you're going to do is to head over to this text, this place that is set text. You're going to click on add heading. And you're going to drag it to this box like this, and then you're going to edit this. We're going to say this is what I'm going to say is a topic. Then you can edit the font. Let's say I want to use this. Yeah, so the next thing is to edit the background of the text background. So guys, this topic, this text, we're going to highlight the sentence. We're going to highlight it and then come over to text color and change it to white. I want it to be in white color. And then you come over to displays effect, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on it and come over here and click on background, and then you're going to the default is usually black, but if it isn't black, you're going to click on it and change the color. So we are done for that. So guys, after doing this one, you're going to come and click on this text. You're going to come and click on this thing and duplicate it and move with something of this nature. Yeah. So when you are done, you're going to come over to effects, and we are going to click on outline, and you're going to increase the thickness to 100. I'm going to edit this going to edit it to part 1. Yeah, so you can actually do it depending on what you want. So I'm going to leave it like this, and when I come here, I'll click on this, and I'll click on this, and I'll actually duplicate it and bring this down also. And you're going to bring this down. So we have, this one you duplicated, you're going to change it to part 1 to part 2. Now what you're going to do is to come and increase this. You're going to see this purple line, this second purple line. You're going to stop where the purple line shows you, the place the purple line shows you. You're going to come to another part of it and increase it, and also stop here the purple line stops. You're going to come to this one. You will also do the same thing you did for the other one. So we're going to come over here and increase it to where the purple line says, and you're going to come over here also and increase it to the purple line, and that is it. We have our topic part 1 and part 2. So another thing is that we do not want this part 1 and part 2 to show at the same time. I want when this part 1 is showing, like when this text is finished reading, immediately this one is coming after. So to do that, you're going to click on this. So you're going to click on this and then click on these 3 dots and click on the 3 dots and click on show timing, and then the part 1 you're going to make it to show for the first 3 seconds. Yeah, so I'll also come here and click on part 2 and then show timing. Okay, now part one will show it for the first 3 seconds, and then this one is going to show after that 3 seconds. Let's just leave it like this. Yeah, so this is how it's going to be. The part one is going to show for the first 3 seconds, and the part two is going to show for the next 3 seconds. Remember, this is a 6 second video, so let's just try and play it. We've not insert our text, we've not insert the motivational facts and the rest of them. This is just, we are just preparing the template. What this particular thing you're going to do, you're just going to use this particular template and create up to 40 videos for your YouTube shorts or your Instagram reels or your Facebook reels. So let's play it actually. You can see that part one is showing. After part one shows, then part two shows for the next 3 seconds. So guys, the next thing to do is to come over to this place that they said apps. You're going to click on this place. Then you're going to scroll down and look at this place they said bulk create, and you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on enter data manually, and you're going to come over here and paste the data we copied from the data ChatGPT gave us. No, sorry, the data ChatGPT gave us this table. You're going to come over here and paste the data. So when you come over, you paste it to this bulk create, and when you're done, when we are done, you click on done. Now you're going to see this connect data to your element, and that's the next thing we are going to be doing. So I'm going to click on this and right click, and you're going to see this place they said connect data, and I'm going to connect data. What you are going to do is to click on this, and then you click on connect data to this one. So that means this top psychology fact is going to be here, and then you come over to this one and click on connect data, and you select this part one, and that is done. And you come over to this one and you click on connect data, and then you click on part two. Now this is, so when you are done, you're going to come over here and click on this part two. You are going to move this part two to be above this part one. You're going to move it. So remember that we set the part one to be for 3 seconds, and the part two is going to show for 3 seconds. So when the part one finish showing, the part two is going to continue showing. And when you are done with this, you are going to click on generate 48 design, and it's generating. And now this is what we have. Let's take a look at something. So you can see some of the facts. You can see that we've created a lot of facts, and this is how you are going to generate over this thing. So if you want it to be long, you can go ahead and make the facts to be long with ChatGPT. And as you can see, this is the idea. So you're going to come over. This is a separate video. This is a separate video. Then the next thing you're going to do is to export these videos. Now you're going to export it. You can use it for your TikTok videos, you can use it for your Instagram reels, you can use it for Facebook reels, you can use it for YouTube short, because these videos are known for having a lot of views from YouTube shorts and the rest of them. So you're going to come over here and click on download. When you click on download, you're going to click on download pages as separate file. Now, if you do not have Canva Pro, you can't use it as a separate file. All of them will have to become one single video. But we do not want it to become, we want this thing to be different videos. So there's no way we can download this. There's no way I want this video to be just a single video. I want all of them to be separate. Like this one is going to be separate, this one is going to be separate, and that is it for all of them. So what you are going to do is to download page as separate file. But before you can be able to do it, you must have Canva Pro. You can't do it with your ordinary Canva free account. Now in the top of this video, you are going to see how to create a Canva account, how to get the Canva Pro for free. Now you're going to see it on top of your screen, and you can go ahead and watch the video. So when you are done with downloading this page as separate file, you can hit the download button. Now be free to explore. You can be free to use different, you are free to use different ideas in your ChatGPT. You can use biological facts that all these facts that are interesting, and use the same method I use and generate this different shots for your video. Now do well to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment, so that this video can reach a quite number of people. Thank you.